Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jeanette and welcome back to another motherfucking video. Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today, since you guys can already tell by the title, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my makeup using all the products that I received in my April Boxycharm box, and I'm so excited because this month it's a festival theme. So yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah you guys, with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into this makeup look. So real quick, I just want to let you guys know that I already did my foundation off of camera, and if you are wondering what foundation I'm wearing, I am wearing the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I am gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is in Porcelain, and I'm gonna use this to create a thick wing on my eyes. Alright, so moving on to eyeshadow. Okay, so today I am going to use the palette that I got in this month's box, and this is what it looks like. Like, can we talk about the packaging? It's so cute, super festival. The Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. They're super pretty. Today I'm going to use these two colors right here just because they're calling my name, even though I already have a look using purples and pinks that I recently just uploaded, and actually I feel like that look is like really bomb to wear to a music festival. So yeah, you guys should check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the purple, which is called Gypsy, and I am going to go ahead and just pack that on the outer part of this wing. And I'm just going to use like a really small detailing brush just to really get in that wing, you know. Okay, so just like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dive into this pink right here, and it's called Wild Child. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick it up with the Luxie 245 brush. And this is one of the brushes that we got in this month's box. So just like that, and then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, nothing on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend right in the center where those two colors meet. So I'm just gonna blend back and forth so they can like mix together. I'm just gonna go back to my concealer real quick. So I went ahead and I applied some concealer on the back of my hand, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up this wing. This is pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. Okay, so now we can move on to eyelashes, and I think today I'm just gonna stick with Kylie from the Dollar Lash Club because I really want to be able to see the eyeshadow, and those lashes are really nice and wispy, so I'm able to see the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna move on to highlighting and contouring my face real quick before I go ahead and go back to the eyes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, this is the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to blend this out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna move on to setting up the face. I haven't used this powder in a hot minute, so I'm excited to see if it's still as good as I remember. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up the face, and I'm just gonna use my Pretty Vulgar bronzer. This one is in 113. I'm gonna use this third brush that I got in the little set. This one is the large shader brush, and I'm gonna go into my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm gonna pick up this white color right up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this right up here above my eyeshadow, just so it like makes it pop. These brushes are so nice, you guys. Luxie brushes are honestly really nice to begin with, but oh my god, I love these brushes. Okay, so now moving on, I am gonna go ahead and I am gonna draw on my heart tattoo, bring back to life my little beauty marks, and I am gonna use the eyeliner that we got in this month's box. This is the Beautiful Real Finish Line 24/7 liquid eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually go back to the eyes real quick, finish up the eyes, and then we can go ahead and do my highlight and then finish up this makeup look with my lips. And yeah, we're pretty much almost done, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the palette, and I'm just gonna mix the purple and the pink together, and I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply some brown eyeliner in my waterline. This is the Jante Blue brown eyeliner. Okay, so first I'm just gonna spray my face with my rose water. And then now I can go in with my highlighter, and I am gonna use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this one is in Summer Haze. Girl, that shit is blinding. I love it.
Whoa.
Okay, so I have these like really cute little like stickers or whatever, and I think I want to like put some on. Yeah, I believe these are like nail stickers, I don't know, but I really want to put on like these little teardrop looking ones underneath my eyes, and I'm hoping they stick to my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one on. Cute. Okay, so now we can move on to the lips. Yay, and we are pretty much done with this makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna do my regular nude because I love my nude lip combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line my lips with LA Girl lip liner, and this one is in Sugar and Spice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Bow and Arrow. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick and Baby Doll. And then I'm gonna top it off with the last product that we got in this month's box, which is this Steve Laurent lip gloss, and this one is in Champagne. It smells weird. I don't like the way it smells. It smells like that tanning coconut oil spray that you spray on yourself to tan in the summertime. That's what it smells like. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I am really feeling this makeup look. I am ready to go, you know. And overall, all the products that I received in this month's box, they were all great. Boxycharm box literally hooked it up this month. I'm never like really disappointed with them ever. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting your own Boxycharm box, I will definitely leave a link in the description box down below. Don't forget to leave a like, and also I hope to see you guys in my next video.